Hello guys, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining website where you can mine Bitcoin freely without deposit on this website. Now I am going to show you how much crypto you can mine on this website. You can see Bitcoin and Tron, USDT and Litecoin, Dogecoin, Binance coin mining you can mine on this website. We have another invitation links. You can invite your friends to earn more and more. You can advertise this website on blogs, Facebook and forums, Instagrams, Twitter and get rewarded. If you make video on withdrawal or payment proof video or investment video on YouTube and Telegram, you can get $100 freely. Now I am show you how much people take their last withdrawal on this website. You can see every and you can check dates of these withdrawals. Now I am going to show you how you can log in on this website without wasting any time. I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on this link and you will reach here without wasting any time. You just need to put your name here and your email and put password and two places and take their agreement and fill up this captcha and click on sign up. I already have account. I am going to sign in on this website. Fill up this captcha and I am going to sign in on this website. Now I will tell you each and everything in detail. Now when you log in on this website, you will reach here. You can see Bitcoin mining. I got 100 GHS on this website for mining. You can see I mine 825 BTC on this website. I have a trick to increase our mining speed on this website. I will tell you at the end of this video. Now I am going to show you how you can buy these plan very easily and freely. You have to investment plan on this website. You have to click on my plan or dashboard. You just need to come here and dashboard and you will see invest and earn on this website. You have to click on it and here you can get giga hash rate power by deposit on this website. I will not suggest you to invest on this website. You just need to make your account and you have to earn BTC on Bitcoin on this website. You can get promotion banners. You have to copy this link and share it as much as you can. Other people will join your link. You will get more and more hash rate power on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can take withdraw on this website. You can see what is the minimum payout on this website. You can take withdraw on 20,000 BTC on this website. You can see every and each cryptocurrency minimum withdrawal on this website. Now I am going to show you. I will share you a trick from which by using this trick you can increase your mining speed very easily and without deposit on this website. You just need to. Another trick we have, if you don't know how to read English and you can change your language by using this country code, you can change your this website language. Now I am going to show you a referral point. You just need to click on copy this link and share this link with your friends as much as you can. Other people will join this website by using your link. You will earn a lot of hash rate power from your partner and your money speed increase day by day and you will earn a lot of things from this website. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and please provide me your valuable comments in the comment section and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in the future.